Your friends automatically follow you. But now I'm going to show you how to let everyone follows you. To start, open Facebook app. Then tap hamburger menu. Now scroll down and tap settings and privacy. Tap settings. Then scroll down and tap public posts. Now under who can follow me, select public. Then your profile looks like this. Now the first part is done. Then if we want to hide the add friend button and replace it with the follow button, here is how. Tap privacy settings. Scroll down and tap who can send you friend request. Tap friends of friends. Let's go back and check it. It works.